Hey YouTube fam, I hope you all are doing well. If this is your first time visiting, a special welcome to you. My name is Throp Wellington, and here on my channel we explore Jamaica together, and I share my marathon journey around the world with you whenever we are able to travel, that is. In today's episode, I am sharing a special video that was created by a group of students from my family's nonprofit organization, the Negril Education Environment Trust, otherwise known as NEET, where we mainly focus on the education of young people. But before I share the video, I do want to build a bit of context for the video. Back in 2019, we were able to take a group of our NEET students to Tottori Japan as part of a cultural exchange program. This was an incredible trip that I was extremely proud to be a part of. The kids were amazing. They were just simply great ambassadors of Jamaica. The trip itself was actually a reciprocal trip, as Japanese students had visited us here in Jamaica years prior. They were supposed to come back in 2020 to visit us again, but of course, COVID.
My name is Negril Education, and I'm from St. Catherine, Jamaica. I'm currently working in Prefecture of Tottori, and this is... Konnichiwa. Tottori desu. Cute.
In the absence of our abilities to visit one another, we decided to create videos for each other to help maintain and grow this relationship that we started, and of course to encourage one another to get through these very trying times. In today's video, most of the students featured were part of the 2019 trip to Japan, and I'm extremely proud of the students who participated in this video. They worked extremely hard on the dances, the singing, and yes, they're Japanese. They really represented Jamaica well once again, and without further delay, I really hope you enjoy today's video. And if you know anybody that would appreciate seeing this cultural exchange, please share this video with them. I know the students have already seen it and they are extremely happy and proud to be a part of it, so I'm sure they would appreciate you sharing it as well. So again, enjoy today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.
親愛なる鳥取の皆さんへ、ジャマイカのニートよりビデオレターを送ります。私たちは一つです。
Give me a J.
J, you got a J, you got a J.
Give me a A.
A, you got an A, you got an A.
Give me a M.
M, you got an M, you got an M.
Give me a A.
A, you got an A, you got an A.
Give me a I.
I, you got an I, you got an
Give
I.
me a C.
C, you got a C, you got a
Give
C.
me a A.
A, you got an A, you got an
Put
A.
that all together, what do we get?
Jamaica, land we love.
Welcome to Negril, Jamaica, the home of NEET, Negril Education and Environment Trust,
where we fight crime through education.
with a computer in every classroom and a tablet in every child's hand.
Go on with it, go on with it. Yo, easy, are you kidding me? Toasty, so we are coming with a force. Blessings we are reap our course in a handful. With a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks and we need it the most. We have to give thanks and we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are upon my life and we thank God for the journey, the earning, not just for the plus. Gratitude is a must. The blessings fall upon my right hand. Bust a toast for the friends we take off heavy load. One time we sit down in a class on board, then always said the road and we go out with it road.
I'm sweating and it's cold.
This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica. This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica. This is the land of my birth.
Watashi wa Fernando des. Grangeville High School no Sotigoi say des.
Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Topazu Tyson des. Manning School no Hunense des.
Watashi wa Shakila Cummins. Des Knox College no Nanense des.
Watashi wa Brittany des. Throp Technical High School no Juichi Nense des.
Watashi wa Trishana des. Grangeville High School no Jisang Nese des.
Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Deja des. Manning School no Hachi Nensai des.
Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Amika desu. Mount Airy Primary and Infant School no Rokunensei desu.
Since March 2020, it has been really hard for me because all my schools went virtually and everything went downhill.
I cannot see my classmates. Sometimes I can't even talk to them.
Very difficult, complicated to stay at home and adapt to these situations.
Many students are struggling due to a lack of devices as well as poor internet connection.
We had to complete online classes using our smartphone. It is not easy at times, especially attempting homework and essays with limited access to data.
But I am coping with it.
We have come a far way, and this pandemic won't stop us from getting where we want to be. So stay safe, wear a mask, enjoy life in the most safest way possible.
Hello, Tottori friends. Now more than ever, we can truly say, Watashi tachi wa hitosu desu. This pandemic has united us in our quest for solutions, innovations, and the best practices. One of NEET's best practice is the establishment of a resource center where students can come in and utilize free Wi-Fi so they can continue in school virtually. This pandemic is not over, neither are we.
Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind,
the strength and vigor of my body,
in the service of my fellow citizens. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may honor God, increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity.
そして全人類の福祉を促進する上でジャマイカの役割を果たすことができます。
We are one! We are one!
we are one!
We are one!
私たちは一つです。